Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay, I bought this fan at a Goodwill store. It wasn't Goodwill, but it was something like that. And this is what I paid for it: $7.99. And I put the blades on it. All the screws were there. So I tested it before I put the fan blades on it. But we're going to test it again just to make sure that it runs. I'm getting ready to put it up in the garage. That's why it doesn't matter. It's got damage on it, but it doesn't really matter. It's just in the garage. Blow the heat down out of the loft. So we will take, I'm fat. We will take the black wire. That is a positive wire, which we'll stick on the positive side of the plug. This is the neutral, which / ground in this particular case. And we will plug it into the negative side. And nothing happens. All right. uh, let's just pull the chain here. Ooh. Oh. I think that's going way too fast. Okay, I think that's on low. Look at that. Not bad for $7-8. Yeah. And I did get the mounting bracket with it. Click. There it goes off. Yeah. And let's see if it works in reverse. If I can stop it without knocking it off the workbench. Switch. And let's just go ahead and click. Okay, that's on low. Let's go in the other direction. And there she goes. That's on low. Because if I go on high, then it might start wobbling too much and flip off the workbench because I just barely got it sitting on there. But yeah. So, not bad. I'm getting ready to mount it up in the... I got one up there, but it's really old and it just barely... It'll go about like that on high because the motor's wore out. It was a used one that I got from somewhere 10 years ago. And I've been using it in the garage for eons. So anyway, that's what's going on. I thought I'd shoot a video of it. It does work. So I guess I'll have to get the mounting bracket put up there and get her installed. So, Second Chance Garage. Thumb, like, and subscribe if you like my videos. Second Chance Garage out.